Hi everyone, let's look at the topic features of Java. These are the features of Java. Platform independent, object oriented, simple, secure, multi-threading, distributed applications, architecture neutral, robust, and portable. Let's look at each feature clearly. Platform independent. As I said in previous video, Java runs on any platform. For example, if we run the Java in Windows operating system, the compiler will generate a bytecode. That bytecode is also called as class file. And if you take this bytecode and runs on other operating system like Mac or Linux, it will run because that bytecode is a platform independent. Object oriented. Object oriented is a concept where is the extension of procedural oriented programming, because there are some drawbacks in procedural oriented programming language like C programming language. To overcome those drawbacks, we have object oriented programming, and it has some concepts like abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance. We will go through each topic clearly in coming videos. As of now, let us know only the features of Java. And third one is simple. Java is called as a simple programming language because it has very neat and clean syntax. We don't have complex topics as in other languages like pointers, structures, operator overloading. Secure. Java is very secure language because JVM will takes the responsible of executing the bytecode of Java. Secure. Execution of bytecode is taken care by JVM. JVM is a Java virtual machine, and also bytecode verifier keep, keeps checking the bytecode fragments, because if it has any illegal code that can access to write to object. And multi-threading. Multi-threading is a concept where we execute one or more parts of a program at the same time. This is done because to increase the utilization of CPU. And those parts are called as, and the one are as I said, these parts are called as threads. Threads will run parallelly at the same time. For example, if we take the Java program, the which takes the 10 minutes to complete, and that in multi-threading that program is going to divide into small units called threads, and that threads are going to execute parallelly at the same time, so that we can decrease the execution time and also utilize the CPU at the maximum, and we can increase the idle time of CPU. Next one is distributed applications. Mean program runs on one or more computers and communicate through network. Architectural neutral. In Java programming, it takes the same size of memory irrespective of architecture. For example, if we consider the programming language like C, in that program, integer takes 4 bytes of memory for the 32-bit architecture system and 2 bytes of memory in 64-bit architectural system. But whereas in Java, it will take 4 bytes of memory irrespective of architecture. Robust. Java is a robust programming language um, because it has a strong memory management. An automatic garbage collector, and exception handling. Automatic garbage collector. If there is any variables or the objects which we don't use for the long period of time, garbage collector automatically removes those data. Whereas in another programming language, we have to manually remove the data. Portable. Java is a portable language because bytecode can be run without any modification. Any modification in another platform. That's it about the futures of Java. I hope you understand. Thank you and bye.